Need to simplify your crypto taxes? CoinLedger's got you covered. This powerful platform is perfect for traders, investors, or anyone involved with crypto. It connects directly to over 30 exchanges and wallets, automatically importing your transactions and calculating gains and losses. CoinLedger's standout feature is its simplicity. Once connected, it organizes your history, applies correct tax treatment, and generates the necessary reports. This automation minimizes errors and ensures accuracy, whether it's capital gains, staking income, or hard forks. The platform handles purchases, sales, transfers, mining, and staking rewards for comprehensive reporting. It provides IRS-compatible formats and integrates with software like QuickBooks for convenient financial management. Beginner or expert, CoinLedger's intuitive interface makes crypto tax reporting easy. Its powerful engine tracks complex portfolios across multiple wallets, ensuring nothing's missed. Your security is paramount with CoinLedger's encryption and responsive customer support. Simplify your crypto tax reporting with CoinLedger. Check the description below for links to get started.